Hello, I'm BJ from Metro Hobbies. I'm going to be having a look inside this new Italeri 112 scale Stratos rally car. Now this is a new kit, all fully retooled. No, not retooled, it's a brand new tooling, never done before. So let's have a look. This is a classic Italia livery. We've got some CAD drawings on the side of the box. And you see just how much detail there is. All right, and I see a little bit of decals, but we'll get closer in that a bit later. All right, what do we have? Let's start with the bodywork. Okay, so we've got the main cockpit, center structure, and the rear engine cover, because it is a rear engine car or a mid-engine car. It's a fair size, but I mean, the actual real car is actually not that big. A very compact car, but nice amount of detail. You'll see it's got opening doors and a front bonnet, which is separate as well. Okay, as we go through the sprues, all right, there's two inside this bag. You see there's a front bonnet there with light covers. So I imagine you can build the lights open or closed. You can see the covers there as well. They're for the night lights, and they'll be optional as well. You've got side panels for the bodywork, rear section right here, the rear lights. And then on this side, you'll see the doors just here, upper covers for the night lights, flares, and the rear louver for the engine bay. You can see it's quite fine if I can sort of get in there. All right, so that's one set of sprues, and then we got another big bag. It's going to be a bit hard to see in this one. There's black sprue in here as well. Silver sprue on the front is all the engine detail. So the crankcase here, multi-pieces. There's drive shafts, and you've got brake calipers, exhaust system. And it's very hard to recognize the engine. There's lots of bits, which I really like. The more bits you have, the more detail you're going to have. It's crisper undercut detail. Got some belts and such. And there you go, you've got the rocker covers. And you'll probably be able to see the R-bath cast into it. So R-bath created all the racing parts. And then the black parts here, hopefully you can see them. We've got seats. We've got some hosing for the engine. Inner door cards with fabric textures. This is the dashboard and suspension components. You got wishbones here. Okay, now let's go to this one here. Again, it's going to be hard to see in black. There's front components. There'll be front air dam on the bottom, wheel arches, a lot of structural components of the frame. On this side, we've got, this is the internal chassis part. A bit hard to see, but the engine would sit there at the back. Seats on the other side. That'll be the firewall, separating the engine from the driver, because you don't want to be touching the engine. It's going to be hot, hot. And then we've got rubber tires. All right, we've got 5 because there's a spare that's going to be in the front. Looks like some rubber seals for universal joints, the drive shafts. So the tread on the tires. And usually you would expect to see this big mold line down the center, but there's no mold line at all. Really clean. And that's because they've molded it along the edge. Okay, from there we've got the wheels. They're all in yellow, multi-piece. And then on this side we have the clear parts. We've got that curved windscreen, which is really curved, very much like an aircraft. We've got the side glass, and then all the lenses for the lights, and also for the bezels on the cockpit. And then we have chrome parts, disc brakes, the inner floor, and then you've got the reflectors for the night lights. And if you're clever enough, you could probably drill those out and put some tiny LEDs in them and light it up. And then I'd say there's probably spark plugs and such. And you've got some pedals and the trumpets for the engine. All right, what else we got? Oh, this is some special stuff. We've got some, let's go down here, I think. It's probably easier to see. We've got some fabric here. That's for the seat belts. Various sizes of wire and tubing for the engine and the plumbing. On this side, we've got some springs for the suspension, and then also some small screws. And a pretty decent set of photo etch parts. You can see all the seatbelt buckles and such here. 5-point harness. Grill. Very nice. I like it. And then let's have a quick look at what we've got in the manuals. There's a painting guide, which is this one. And then we've got the main manual here. And it's quite a thick manual. I won't go through the whole lot, but here's the decals, okay? And you've got multiple sheets. And these are printed by Cartograph in Italy, who we know make the best decals. And being an Italian kit makes sense. I think it's going to be really nice once it's finished. It's going to be super bright. And you can see there's a legend of all the parts. And then assembly starts with the floor pan, mainly doing the chassis, all the framework, the suspension going in with independent wishbones, engine build, and you can see all the cables there. And from the distributor, they're going to the spark plugs, trumpets across the top, going to look good. Mounting it inside that frame in the back end. And then we've got suspension getting fit in the back end. We start on the front end. Disc brakes, front suspension, interior getting done now. You've got seats going in, and there's the seat belts, as you can see. It shows you how to use a photo etch on these parts here, and how to fold the buckle. Fuel tanks. And then you've got the cockpit. You can see how there's all the glass that goes into the dashboard, all the little dials and buttons. Bodywork going on. You've got the sides of the body, rear hatch getting put together. You can see here as well. And that's getting fit onto the engine. You see how it's hinged there, so you can open and close very easily. Now the front end. These are your optional night lights. So you can either have the lights closed at the front with the night lights, or you can have them open, or also with the night lights, I guess, if you like, or without. There's a cover there too, so you can have that on or off. We've got the radiator on the front end. You can see how the front bonnet is hinged open. And then we've got the doors getting put together with the door cards. They're fitting inside as well. Wheels and tyres screwed on. All your little photo etch parts going on. And we're practically done. More photo etch. So photo etch are the big pieces of the skid plates. You've got the mud flaps. And there you go. That is it. So that is my open box review of the brand new Italeri 1/12 scale Stratos.